I'm the founder of additive manufacturing within the Innovation Center, an organization in Merck KGaA, Darmstadt, Germany. We are focusing on using 3D printing, additive manufacturing for clinical trial supply in the future. I must say that all these online formats that I have been forced to use in the last period of time due to the COVID pandemic were not as good as your platform. It is working, it is interactive, and the participation was quite good. So I think if to use an online format, then this one was one of the good ones to use. Well, in general, that is the essence of all these congresses and workshops and whatever you have, to meet people, to have informal discussions, to learn more than just the talks or the presentations about people, and build the networks that are necessary to have next challenges solved in the future. And that is kind of missing in these online formats, but kind of good in this format, because I had already meetings, I will have still meetings this afternoon, and it's kind of not the same, but a little bit like the networking you would have while making a coffee chat during a break at the conference. My goals are currently still, we are in a kind of pre-marketing phase of our activity. We will be in the real business in a year or two from now, and I want to inform the community about what is going on, and that the Merck is on the forefront of applying 3D printing for tablet manufacturing in the future. So that's, I guess, achieved already by being able to present the activity at the Congress. And certainly, if possible, I wanted to generate a lead, means someone who is interested to have a follow-up meeting and maybe discuss what could be an application in their environment, in their pipeline, in their challenges in pharma production.